Hello, kitchen technicians. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chef Belle. Today, we are going to make ground beef and eggs. Please do like and share, subscribe and hit the bell if you are new. Thank you very much. Now, we'll need to first dice our onions. These veggies have already been cleaned and thoroughly washed. Work your knife like this till you have tiny sizes of onions. Put it in a bowl and set aside. Now we'll do the same thing with these carrots. Dice it well. Spend some time doing this and you'll have the desired result, trust me. Tiny pieces of carrots. Next, let's place our skillet on heat and pour a quarter cup of oil in it. Let it heat well. When it's well heated, we'll pour our diced onions into the oil and allow it to fry for some time. Next is to throw in our 2 cups of ground or minced beef in there and get to work with our spatula. Shred it well in the oil so you don't end up having chunky beef in your ground beef and egg meal. Add your 1 tablespoonful ginger and garlic paste and 1 teaspoon salt. Continue stirring and tearing up your beef. Let it stay on heat till most of the moisture from the beef is lost. You will notice more oil. At this point, go ahead and add half teaspoon of black pepper powder and a half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon seasoning, half teaspoon mixed spice, and give it another good stir to mix. Do this for at least 2 minutes. Proceed to add 1 teaspoon lemon juice and your diced carrots. Continue to stir for a while. Now we'll leave this on low heat while we move to work on our eggs. These are 4 eggs, exactly what we need for this recipe. We'll proceed to break them one by one into this bowl nicely and whisk well. Now add a little salt and a little bit of turmeric in the eggs and mix well. It is now ready, so let's proceed to make a big well in our ground beef. Next is to add 1 tablespoonful of butter in the well and wait for it to melt. When it's well melted, let's go ahead and pour our eggs right here in the middle. Now stir the eggs little by little until it becomes solid and shredded. Stir everything together. Let all the delicious flavors blend so we can have ourselves a delicious meal of ground beef and eggs. You will love it. This kind of recipe goes well with a lot of foods. What would you have yours with? Please comment and tell us thank you. Now add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and mix well for a few more minutes. And you have yourself some delicious ground beef and egg meal. You can have this with bread, my favorite, or as your protein with your carbohydrate meals, with a little salad on the side. Are you imagining that? Thanks so much for watching this video. I have left the ingredient list for you. Please do check it out. And don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.